Hello everybody, today we're going to be adding mixed numbers.
The first thing to do is to put your problem in working form by writing it vertically.
In order to add, you need common denominators. To find a common denominator, first list the 5 multiples of each denominator.
Choose the least common multiple and make that your new denominator.
Count how many times the old denominator goes into the new denominator. Then multiply the numerator by that number. That will give you your new fraction.
Add the new fractions 3 twelfths plus 10 twelfths, and that equals 13 twelfths.
Because 13/12 is an improper fraction, you need to turn it into a mixed number. Divide the number by the denominator. 12 goes into 13 one time with a remainder of 1. So the mixed number is 1 1/12.
Add the whole number 1 to the other whole numbers, 6 and 4. 6 plus 4 plus 1 equals 11.
Combine the whole numbers with the fraction, and you get 11 and 1/12.